Hey guys, welcome back to Viral Video Vault.
Footage from the Metrodome last night. Snow leaking in the roof, and the roof collapsed this morning.
So as you can see, there was a huge snowstorm, but unfortunately for them, the snow got the better of them. What can I say? People just gotta learn to think. Remember, nature always wins. If you like these types of videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/viralvideovault. And if you've got a Twitter, make sure you follow us, twitter.com/VVVYouTube. That link and the link to the original video is in the description below. I'm Pete from Viral Video Vault. Stay tuned.